Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set active status in the Facebook app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Facebook app, and here it opens up in the feed. From here we just go into the top right corner and tap on the three lines, then tap on the cog, and then we scroll down. And under audience and visibility, we find active status. We tap on this, and then we can just toggle this to be turned on or turned off. We can turn it off to make sure that the app doesn't show when we are active, and vice versa. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.